Hi, in this tutorial I will help you understand how to install Microsoft Power BI desktop. Step number 1, click on Start button. Step number 2, search Microsoft Store. Remember my dear friends, your PC should be either having Windows 10 or Windows 11. This will not work if you have Windows 7 operating system in your laptop or PC. Moving on, here is my Windows Store. I'll click and open Windows Microsoft Store. It will take some time and it will open. Remember, you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi or internet. Now here search Power BI desktop and then press enter. Once you press enter, you will see here, my dear friends, Power BI desktop. Remember, my dear friends, sometimes you will see Power BI and Power BI desktop, two separate softwares here. I'll just show you. If you search just Power BI, it will show you two options, as you can see here, Power BI and Power BI desktop, Power BI report builder. I want you to install Power BI desktop. Once you click on this Power BI desktop, get button, you can see blue. You just need to click on the get button. Once you click on the get button, it will start downloading and installing Power BI desktop. It might take 4 to 5 minutes for the entire process to get complete, and it will automatically get installed in your Windows laptop. My dear friends, Power BI is an advanced version of Microsoft Excel which you can use in your organization. Once you have learned and got all the skills for advanced Excel, you can definitely explore Power BI. So I will stop this tutorial here. Once the download is complete, you can always open Power BI desktop and explore it. Thank you so much.